Welcome to the Zipp 30 course tubeless tire installation video. You will need the following tools and supplies: a tubeless ready tire, tubeless tire sealant, a valve core removal tool, an air compressor or floor pump, safety glasses, and a clean rag. Remove the valve nut and O-ring from the valve stem. Install the valve stem into the rim through the valve stem hole with the rubber seal aligned with the rim bed. Install the O-ring and valve nut. Tighten the valve nut hand tight. Do not use any tools to tighten the nut. Hand tighten only. Starting 180 degrees from the valve stem, install one bead of the tire into the center of the bed of the rim. Hang the wheel on a bicycle work stand with the valve stem at the bottom. From the top, begin installing the second bead into the rim. Press both beads together and into the center of the bed of the rim. Keeping the beads in the center of the rim will allow for easier installation. Stop when half of the second bead is set in the rim. Measure the manufacturer's recommended amount of tire sealant into a measuring cup. Pour the sealant into the tire. Keeping the wheel vertical, remove it from the bicycle stand. Rotate the wheel slowly to allow the sealant to move to the closed side of the tire. With the open section of the tire at the top, finish installing the tire onto the wheel. Remove the valve core. Removing the valve core allows for a higher volume of air to get into the tire quickly in order to seat the bead. Hang the wheel back on the bicycle stand with the valve stem at the top. Attach either a floor pump or air compressor. Inflate the tire to 80 psi or the tire manufacturer's maximum recommended pressure, whichever is less. You will hear loud popping sounds as the beads seat in the rim. This is normal. Some tires will require use of an air compressor as a floor pump may not be powerful enough to seat the tire beads. Depending on your tire, you may need to place the wheel on the ground and massage and adjust the tire in order for it to seat. Reinstall the valve core. Inflate the tire again to 80 psi or the tire manufacturer's maximum recommended pressure, whichever is less. Remove the pump or compressor and hold the wheel horizontally. Shake the wheel to agitate the sealant, then turn the wheel 1/4 turn. Repeat these steps until the wheel has made one full rotation. Lay the wheel on a flat surface for 3 to 5 minutes. Flip the wheel and let it rest for 3 to 5 more minutes. Inflate the tire to the desired air pressure level. Check the seating of the tire by examining the line above the rim flange. The line should be evenly spaced from the rim on both sides of the tire over its entire circumference. If it is not, release some air pressure and adjust the tire by hand, then reinflate to the desired amount and check again. This concludes the process of installing a tubeless tire on a Zipp 30 course tubeless ready wheel.